How to install a CPU. First, make sure you have an anti-static wristband. Slip the wristband over your wrist with the button facing the back side of your wrist and install the alligator clips onto the framing of the case. Next, what we're going to do is we are going to remove the plastic insert in the socket. Make sure you remove this before you put the chip in. Next, take the CPU and remove the plastic covering off of the back of the pins, making sure not to touch them. Open the socket. Open the frame to the socket. And when you install the chip, make sure that the holes on the side of the chip line up with the holes on the socket of the motherboard. Put the framing in place by snapping down the clasp, and that's all there is to it.